I'm excited to be here with Imagine Hair and Stormy, the elite professional that's going to get to cut my hair today and customize it and give me the modern haircut that I want. She's able to, I just know I've been talking to her and showing her pictures. She always asks, what picture, what do you want, what's your cut, what do you like? And I'm just excited that she's going to give me what I'm wanting to help me have a more youthful and confident appearance. I've been going to hair replacement specialist for the last 10 years. And after I would get it cut and styled and blended in, it always felt like I had a big weight on my head and didn't feel natural. It was very bulky feeling. And this cut is way different. It feels like it's a part of me. It's blended so well. It's very light and airy, and it feels like it's my hair. And I'm very happy, very pleased, yes. Very pleased. She did a great job, very professional, the best. If you want the best, you'll come here, because she is the best. She's the best in her field. And you'll see what I'm talking about if you come here.
That's what you say.
I'm really pleased with this cut. I'm really pleased with the look. I could style it any way I want. It looks natural. And I like that you're leaving the length longer than, if I want to go a little bit shorter, I go a little bit shorter. And I just feel younger and more confident. I like it, I really do. Blends in great on the sides. Just very, very happy. Yeah. Me gusta mi pelo aquí. Ella es una artista, ella es Stormy, se llama Stormy. Y ella es una estilista muy buena. Y antes no tuve pelo, pero ahora tengo el pelo natural. Y me gusta mucho porque yo parezco muy, muy joven, más joven que antes. Y tú necesitas verla, ella es muy simpática, mujer muy simpática y puede ayudar con tus necesidades con su pelo. Si tú eres un hombre y quieres parecer más joven, ella puede hacerlo. O si tú eres una mujer, igual. Bueno.